For this video, we're going to be looking at freezing panes. So one of the advantages of freezing panes is that we can freeze a row or column into place, so as we work within the workbook, we can still see the relevant information. For example, this first column, or first row up here, should I say, is as we move down, you can see that we have lost the ranking, ratings, the name, and the number of votes. So if you just carry on like this and you step away and you need to constantly scroll up and down to find the right information or what each column is referring to. So to do this, or to freeze that area into place, we go to our View tab. Under the window option, we see Freeze Pane. So we get three types. We get Freeze Panes, Freeze Top Row, or First Column. So if we freeze the top row, we can now see that there's a solid line going right through. So as we scroll down, that column or that row stays in place. But if we scroll to the right, all the rows are still there, or disappear, should I say. So what we can do is we can then go to Freeze First Column. As we move across, the first column stays in place, but the first row does not. So what we can do is we can go to our last option. So we want to freeze the top row and the first column. So what we need to do is we need to place our mouse or select an active cell. Okay. The reason we need to select the active cell is everything above it and everything to the left of it, if we choose the Freeze Panes option, will be frozen in place. So we select Freeze Pane. So the entire first column and the entire first row has now been frozen. So as we move down, the first row stays in place, and as we move across, the first column stays in place. So that is how you go about freezing panes, or freezing the top row or the first column.